How to change your name on Gmail. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 different ways to change your name on Gmail. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first method we're going to use to change our name will be our sender name. So this will be the name that is displayed when we send emails on Gmail. So to do that, simply go to gmail.com, select the gear in the top right, and then select See All Settings. From there in the top menu, select Accounts and Imports. And then next to your email address, you're going to see to the right, Edit Info. And this is where we can change the display name to first, you can just have your default Google accounts name, or you can change it to anything you want by simply editing this text box and then selecting Save Changes. And now when I send an email, it's going to say Buster S. The next method to change your Gmail name is going to be to change the name that is on your Google account. And to do that, select your profile icon on the top right, then select Manage Your Google Account. After that, select Personal Info in the left menu. And then all you need to do is go down to name right here, select that, select name one more time, and then you can edit your name. And once you change it, go ahead and select save, and then that will edit the name on your Google account. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.